Adhere can be connected to different external devices, such as FM systems, telecoil receivers, or smartphones. Appropriate cables can be ordered. Connect the cable to the external device and the audio processor. Take care that the dots on the cable and the bottom side of the audio processor align. When Adhere is connected to external systems, Program 3 should be used. You can easily change between the programs by pressing the Program button. Choose Program 3 so sound can be transferred directly into your Adhere audio processor from the external device, whilst you are still able to pick up sounds around you.